Good morning students, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining maths chapter 1 of class 5. Class 5 chapter 1 and the name of chapter is large number. In this chapter we first know about the largest number and the smallest number of the digits. Largest number of first digit is 1 and the smallest number of first digit is equal to 1. Now every largest number of each digits get successor as the smallest number of their next digit. For example, first digit largest number is 9. When we got this successor of 9, we got 10. When we add 1, that means successor, that means plus 1. When we add 1 in 9, we get 10. That is the second digit. यानी कि 2 digit smallest number. 10 is the 2 digit smallest number as usual. Second digit largest number is 99. When we add 1, we got 100. That is the 3 digit smallest number. 3 digit greatest number 999 plus 1, we got 1000. That is the smallest 4 digit number, and so on. This way we can find out the largest number and smallest number of every digits. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, 5 digit, smallest and greatest we can find out this way. Now the important things in the largest number or a large number is place value chart. Place value chart. Place value chart can be found in two ways, in the Indian system and the international system. Indian system, in India we use the Indian system, and abroad of the India like America it is used international system. So in the Indian place value chart, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, these are called periods. In the periods, ones, there are 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundred. These 3 places are in ones period. But after the ones period, every period should be divided into 2 parts. They are ones and tens. That means thousands divided into 2 parts is 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs divided into 2 parts, 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores divided into 2 parts, 1 crore and 10 crores. So that every number in the Indian place value chart, like 489324, for example, we can express this number in the Indian place value chart. The after first 3 digits we put 1 comma. After that 2 digits another comma. Then after 2 digits the another comma should be put here, and it could be written in the Indian place value chart like that: 4 at ones place, 5 at tens place, 2 at hundred place, 3 at thousands place, 9 as 10,000s place, 8 as lakh place, and 4 as 10 lakhs places. If any, here two digits expressed like 2 and 5. That means 5 at crore place and 2 at 10 crore places. It could be written as the place value of 4 is 4, place value of 5 is 50, and place value of 2 is 200, and place value of 3 is 3000, and so on. We can find the place value. In the international place value chart, it has 4 periods. First period is ones, and ones should be divided into 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundred. Thousands is also divided into 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Millions is also divided into 3 places, that means 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. And billions is also divided into 3 parts, that is 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Here 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. And 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. And after that 1 billion is equal to 1 Arab, and 10 Arab equal to 10 billion, and so on. We can find the international place value chart. For example, if we take 2, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3, 8, 7, 6, 9, that means the first comma after the 3 digit is this, then 3 digit comma, that is this, and after that 3 digit is this. It could be written in the place value chart like that: 9, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 2, and so on. We can write it. Here the place value in the international system: 9 equal to 9, 6 equal to 60, 7 equal to 700, and 8 equal to 8,000, and 3 equal to 30,000, and 4 equal to 400,000, that is 400,000, and so on. This is 1 billion, that means 5 million, 90 million or 800 million. And the one thing is more important, that is place value of 0 is always 0 at every places. When we put 0 at every places, in the 10,000, lakhs, if we put here 0, the value and place value of the 0 is always 0. The one more thing, in the place value system, we can know about the face value. What is face value? Face value is the same value of the digit at every places. Face value is always same value of the digits at every places. For example, if we write 4, 8, 6, 9 and 6, find the value, face value of 6. That means face value of 6 equal to always 6. If 6 is at 1,000th place, then their face value is also 6. It's no depend on the place value. It's only the value of the digits. That's all. You must do your homework given in the PDF file. If you have any problem, contact us or write the comments in our website. Thank you.